All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC, may help more international projects as the authorities in Saudi Arabia, Kenya and El Salvador have approached the Indian company for partnership. The Delhi Metro is currently implementing a metro rail system in Bangladesh and has provided consultancy services in Jakarta. Countries like Israel, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Kenya, and El Salvador have also shown interest in partnering with DMRC for their metro development projects, informed Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Hua Manohar Lal. He further said that given the rapid expansion of the metro in the country, India will soon surpass the United States of America, which has the third largest metro network. He also said that with the approval of 3 new projects, India now has 1,018 kilometers of metro lines under construction. The cabinet approved metro projects for 3 prominent cities, Bangalore, Pune and Thane, costing 30,765 crore rupees. Currently, China leads in terms of metro infrastructure with over 4,201 kilometers of operational metro systems. The US has the second largest metro network with about 1,408 kilometers. India ranks third globally in terms of operational metro network length. We are poised to soon surpass the US and become second only to China, he remarked, attributing this success to the Make in India initiative championed by PM Narendra Modi. Regarding the Rapid Rail Transit System, RRTS, the minister said, the first RRTS corridor of 82 kilometers between Delhi and Meerut has been sanctioned at a cost of 30,274 crore rupees. Today, 34 kilometers of this corridor is operational, with the Namo Bharat train running on this network. We expect the project to be completed by June 2025. Addressing the issue of additional RRTS corridors, the minister acknowledged delays due to resistance from the Delhi government but assured that the remaining 2 priority corridors connecting Gurugram, Manesar, and Dharuhera in the south of Delhi, and Sonepat and Panipat in the north of Delhi, will soon be sanctioned. In 2014, the metro rail system in India was limited to just 248 kilometers and operational in only 5 cities. Over the last 10 years, 700 kilometers of new metro lines have been made operational, bringing the total operational length to 945 kilometers and extending metro services to 21 cities across the country. Highlighting the rapid progress, Lal said, before 2014, on an average, only 600 meters of metro line was being constructed per month. Today, this figure has increased tenfold to 6 kilometers per month, demonstrating the government's commitment to urban development. He highlighted the significant strides made in indigenization, with the majority of civil structures being constructed domestically. He pointed out that the country has developed 4 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities of metro coaches that have produced over 1,000 metro coaches in the last 5 years. Around 1 crore passengers use the metro daily across India, with 73 lakh commuters in the Delhi NCR region alone. The metro system, which began in 2002 under the leadership of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is widely credited with transforming urban transportation in the country.